Edo Governor Gov Obaseki carry waka join body with Chemo already local government area Dr. Tom Obaseki and other top government ogas to chook eye and do check for the project where they under construction for already local government area. The project with them check now proposed reconstruction of Ekiosa market, renovation and remodeling of Edo State Board of Internal Revenue Service building for Forestry Road, Edo Film Production Center and printing press for Flex for Observer compound, and renovation and construction of Arogba Primary Healthcare Centers, among others. After the check of Osa market, the governor for in talk with Tori people talk say them put plenty thinking for the design of the market, sake of say over 1,000 people go they use the place on daily basis. A constant talk say,
I think we're trying to ensure that a lot of thinking goes into the design because this is a project that is going to be used by thousands of people on a daily basis, and we want to learn from the other markets that have been built over the years to take learning points, making sure that there's enough ventilation, there's enough space, there's enough control, and also amenities in the markets. It's a lot of work, but I believe that with the amount of work that's been done to date, I will have a very successful project. Before the end of this March, I expect the contractors to move to site.
To the market people of Ekiosa market, Oga Obaseki assured them say the administration they are aware of the hardship and suffering wey dey the country and say them they do everything possible to tackle the problem using agriculture and other strategies. He talk say with the amount of work wey dem don do for the Ekiosa market, in dey sure say the project go dey very successful and say before the end of March, he expect the contractor to move to site and start the construction work.
Okay, una dey hear me? Yes, sir. I know say hunger dey ground. I know say hunger day. So now make me come. But I want to come see the market when we won't build for now. But before the end of this month, contractor will come here and start. Second, I want make una help me. Before this rainy season starts, I want give money, make people go farm so that food go day. The people when they sell food to now for village, make una let us know them, so that we fit give them money, make them fit grow more food for us this year, so that we fit bring down the price of food because the price is too high now. Una here? Make una pray by the grace of God. This problem when we enter so, God will help us remove them. We dey try wetin we fit do for Edo. Una go also beg them for Abuja, make them try too, because not be only our hand a day. So God go deal with you now. I go deal with you now. By the grace of God, we'll come out of this one.
From Ekiosa market, Oga Obaseki carry waka enter Forestry Road to chook eye for the reconstruction and remodeling of Edo State Board of Internal Revenue Service building. To the market people wey dey Mission Road, Obaseki talk say the administration they do the best to better the life of Edo people and say in hope say the people wey dey Abuja go do wetin dem supposed to do to make life better for Naija people. He still talk say for price increment for the market, he go get the list of companies where they do business with the market men and women through the market association to find solution to the price increment. He still talk say,
me, I don't see this more than 2 years ago. I talk and say somebody come, but we not do what we're supposed to do. But now we dey face the problem. How we fit come out of this? Now I come ask una for market. Una here? Complain not go solve the problem. How we go fit solve the problem? This problem, the solution dey our hand. Not be so. So when we ask, waiting they make price go up. When we know by how much price they go up, now every day company they change price. Every day they change price. I'll go meet them. Make I ask myself, how come their price be like this for markets? So we go work with our associations. Maybe we know exactly what thing they happen for which commodity. But the one where we fit grow ourselves, like food, like yam, why we not fit grow more? Maybe we grow grow more. Now bandits, don't worry, I will take care of bandits. Bandits not there though again. So this season we must go farm. We must go farm. Then we grow more food. With that here, and then we manage food first. Then we will talk about the other one. By the grace of God, this problem we will find solution. For Edo, I will try for now. The one we not fit do for Edo, una will follow me go Abuja, then we tell Abuja me they do their own. By the grace of God, this problem go over soon. God bless all of you now.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.